Vanilla cupcakes with pouring chocolate ganache. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Let's start with the vanilla sponge. 110 grams of softened butter. Whisk until soft and creamy. Add 200 grams of sugar. Whisk until combined. Add 2 eggs. Whisk until well incorporated. Sieve 200 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk to incorporate. Add 130 ml of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Only whisk enough to incorporate, do not over whisk. Using a spatula, scrape the sides down. Divide your batter into 12 cupcake cases. In a preheated oven at 170 degrees with no fan, bake for 25 minutes or until golden in colour. Now for the chocolate ganache, 200 grams of milk chocolate and 80 ml of double cream. Melt your chocolate in the microwave for around 1 minute. Slowly stir to incorporate the melted chocolate with the double cream. Grate 80 grams of milk chocolate to sprinkle on top of the ganache. Once your cupcakes have cooled down and the chocolate ganache is not hot but warm, go ahead and dip your cupcakes in. Now sprinkle your grated chocolate onto your cupcakes. Twelve moist and spongy vanilla cupcakes with pouring chocolate ganache. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, hope to see you next video. Bye for now.